Good afternoon and good morning. I'm glad and honored to moderate this session. My name is Insill, professor at Sogang University and former Commissioner of Statistics Korea. The theme of this session is improving data collection and reliability of statistics and indicator on gender with intersectionality dimensions. As we all know, gender equality is central to the achievement of all 17 Sustainable Development Goals. There is a saying that if it is not measurable, then it is not manageable. The meaning behind this powerful statement drives a lot of national and thinking behind Equal Measures 2030's SDG Gender Index. Data and accountability tools that determine which the world can reach gender equality by 2030 are far behind other goals. Good, reliable, and accessible data can help shine a light on the lived reality of girls and women. This is particularly true when data are used effectively by girls and women's movement and advocates. But unfortunately, 90% of surveyed advocates believed that collecting data on gender issues is not prioritized by government. Furthermore, another almost 90% agree that achieving the SDGs for girls and women will not be possible without right data. In places where gender data are limited or lacking completely, how can gender equality progress effectively be measured? And how would we know if the government are on the right track? We have to respond to an urgent need for data on gender equality. We have to identify a number of critical gender issues that are at present missing from or insufficiently covered in the current stock of global data on gender equality. Issues such as climate change and tax and public finance were regarded as the lowest priority issues for gender equality progress, despite the significant impact it has on the lives and livelihood of girls and women. Despite the impact of global pandemic on gender equality, in many cases the link tend to be poorly understood. This is concerning finding given that domestic resources and taxation in developing countries can offer a sustainable source of funding for national development plan. We knew that data can drive changes. There are more need for better gender data, especially gender disaggregated data, to fill gaps to measure several critical gender equality policy issues. Improving gender equality globally requires strong political commitment and will from all stakeholders. It is critical to ensure that the one who can really drive change must have robust data they need when they need it, and in a format they know how to use to tell the real story of gender equality progress in their community and countries. I like to emphasize that data needed to be co-created. Inclusive data process needed greater collaboration between national statistical offices and non-state agents. After COVID-19, there are more need for significant changes in the data collection and reliability of statistics and indicator on gender. This session has 5 presenters. The first presenter is Papa Sak, Chief Statistician, UN woman. He will discuss about how measurement of gender and intersecting inequality across UN agencies can be counted and visible. Second presenter, Albert Motivan, will talk about a more inclusive and more creative collection of data. Third presenter is Cheryl Dawes, who is a senior lecturer and associate professor, University of Oxford, will talk about lesson from Gender Asset Gap Project. Fourth presenter is Professor Jonathan Dawes. He is also Deputy Director, Center for Network and Collective Behavior, University of Bath. He will discuss about prioritization within SDG network, which SDG linkage matter most. The last but the least presenter is Jacqueline McLeod. She is Franklin Jackson Foundation Professor of Environment at Gresham College. She will talk about can gender equality help solve climate change. Here is the way we manage this session. There is no question answers in real time on the website. Discussions and questions and answers will be conducted between 19th and 21st of August on a separate Gender Summit online platform. Please review the presentation of 5 presenters and leave any questions or comments on each topic or overall theme on the Gender Summit online platform. We look forward for your participation. Thank you for listening. Thank you.